Hello students, welcome to Computer Studies for Class 7. My name is Ravi Prakash and in this video I am going to start Chapter 1 External Hardware Devices. We shall cover two topics, hardware and input devices. So let us start. You all know computer is an electronic device. It means it involves complex electronic circuit that functions on electricity. So a computer has two parts, hardware and its software. So hardware are all those tangible and physical devices that are connected to computers. So we can touch and feel all the machinery components of the computer. So those are called hardware. So these hardwares need a special kind of software for their functioning, and these softwares are called device drivers. It means if you need to install a printer with your computer, then you have to first install the device driver software for the printer, then you can uh, install that particular printer. So every hardware comes with the computer must need its device driver, whether it is mouse, keyboard, scanner, audio devices, video devices, so all those devices. So computer hardware can be present either internal to the computer or external to the computer. So let us start input devices. So those devices through which data are provided to computer by the user are called input devices. It means we use keyboard to type our data. We use mouse to point icons, pictures in the computer. So all these are input devices. With help of these input devices, we can enter data in the computer. So we use various input devices in our computer. The first one is your keyboard. So a keyboard consists of various keys and we use to press these keys to input data in the computer. Second one is your mouse. So, mouse is a pointing device used to point different location in the computer screen. It is used to click or double click or drag and drop operation in the computer. It has also a scroll wheel to scroll pages up and down. The third device is microphone. So this device takes voice as input. It means if we speak in a microphone, it takes our voice as input and then convert this sound into electrical signal, and that can be stored in the computer for further processing. Next device is touchpad. So touchpad is just similar to a mouse, but it is found inside the laptop. So we use this device just like mouse to point various location in computer screen. So we can say that it is also a pointing device. Next device is touch screen. So touch screen is now very common to all of you. We used to touch a screen at different location for different functioning. We can see this in our smartphone and we can also use this in some high-end computers. So in touch screen, we used to give input by touching different places in the screen. Next is light pen. So it is a special type of pen which can be used to point different locations on the screen. We can use to directly write on the screen using the light pen. Next is webcam. So webcam is used to capture videos or images in the computer. So we generally use this device while video conferencing or video chatting with another person. Next is scanner. So a scanner usually convert a hard copy into digital copy. It means it can convert a data on the page to a data in the computer. It means if we have a photograph or a written text document, so we can scan that particular document, and the data can easily be transferred to the computer. So we can say that it converts a hard copy into soft copy. Scanner can also be there in form of handheld device. It is also known as barcode reader. So that handheld scanner is used to scan barcode from different products. You can usually see this BCR device in shopping complex for inputting price of the products. Next is graphics tablet. So this is a special kind of pad with a stylus or a light pen, which can be used for freehand drawing in computer screen. So we can use this stylus uh, here to draw freehand drawing or to type or to write text, and it can be directly entered into the computer. So you can say that this is like a page and this is the pen for digital input in the computer. Next is MICR. Here MICR means magnetic ink character reader. It is a special device which we can see in banks. So this device is used to validate bank's check. Actually what happens there, that bank check has a special its check number which is written using a special magnetic ink. So that ink can only be verified using this MICR device. So it is also a type of input device. Next is magnetic strip reader. So it is present on several plastic cards which we can see in form of credit and debit cards of a bank account. So it has a black rectangular magnetic strip in which our bank account details are stored by default, and that card is used to scan using by the magnetic strip reader, so that we can do transaction using this credit or debit card. So this reader device is also a input device which takes input from this card. Next is a smart card reader. So it is modified or upgraded version of this magnetic strip reader. So this type of card usually contains or consists of a memory card or a microprocessor chip in it, and that memory card or microprocessor chip stores some additional information. That information can be either predefined or or further that can be modified also using this programming or a smart card reader device. So this is all about the input devices which we generally use with our computers. So that's all students for this video. Thank you.